Hello friends, today I'll discuss about N-slit, Fraunhofer diffraction. So these three are incident ray and these three are diffracted ray. So first incident ray equation y is equal to a theta cos omega t, and second one y1 is equal to a theta cos omega t plus delta. So diffraction grating, for diffraction grating E is equal to slit thickness and D equal to separation between slits. So E plus D equal to grating element, the sum of two. So BM equal to AB sin theta is equal to E plus D sin theta, because E equal to slit thickness and D equal to separation between slits. Because this angle is theta, so BM equal to AB sin theta. Okay, so AB means E plus D, okay. After that A theta, so E plus D sin theta, so delta equal to 2 pi by lambda into BM. Here BM means path difference and delta phase difference. So A theta equal to A naught sin alpha by alpha. Y1 equal to A theta is amplitude. Y1 equal to A theta cos omega t plus delta, and Y3 equal to A theta cos omega t plus 3 delta. Y equal to resultant A theta into, because A theta is common here, Y equal to Y1 plus Y2 plus Y3, like this. Okay, so A theta into cos omega t plus delta plus dot dot dot, like this. Okay, here no path difference, omega t plus 0, omega t plus delta plus cos omega t plus 2 delta, like this, up to n terms. Amplitude equal to maximum value of y. We know that amplitude equal to maximum value of y. For this maximum value of y, it will be amplitude. Intensity of resultant wave I equal to max value of y. Here y means amplitude, because maximum value of y equal to amplitude. So we know that intensity is equal to amplitude whole square. So maximum value of y is whole square. So y means this one, so this one's whole square. Okay, after that A theta square, and this one formula is 1 minus cos n delta by 1 minus cos delta. So cos 1 minus cos theta, that means 2 sin square theta by 2. So use this formula. After that just consider beta equal to delta by 2. So here delta by 2 means beta, So I equal to this equation. This is the distribution of resultant intensity for N slit or multiple slits Fraunhofer diffraction. I think you understand. Please like, share and subscribe.